Want to know how to use Tenable for continuous monitoring? Stick around because I'll walk you through the essentials of the software that's perfect for keeping an eye on your system's security in real time. Whether you're new to Tenable or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this video, you'll know how to leverage it effectively to safeguard your assets. And before we get started, you can try Tenable for free with an exclusive bonus. The link's in the description below. First, let's get into the core of Tenable. It's a powerful tool designed for vulnerability management. One of its standout features is its ability to continuously monitor your systems for vulnerabilities. This means you can stay ahead of potential threats without constantly having to run manual scans. Tenable does the heavy lifting for you, monitoring in real time so you can act fast if anything critical comes up. Next thing, setting up Tenable for continuous monitoring is super easy. After you've signed up, simply install the Tenable agent on your devices. This is where the magic happens. The agent continuously monitors your system's health and reports any issues directly to Tenable's cloud interface. From here, you can track all your assets and vulnerabilities without needing to manually run a scan. The third thing, Tenable doesn't just give you a snapshot. It provides deep visibility into your network's vulnerabilities over time. So, instead of being blindsided by problems, you're alerted as soon as something's detected, and you get the details to understand the risk. This makes it possible to respond quicker, minimizing downtime or potential breaches. Now, the fourth thing, Tenable integrates with other systems like CM and IT service management platforms. This is a big deal for teams that need centralized monitoring. With these integrations, you can feed all the vulnerability data into your existing security tools and keep everything in sync. This makes management more streamlined and effective. The fifth thing, Tenable also gives you the ability to prioritize vulnerabilities. Not all vulnerabilities are equal, and Tenable helps you focus on the ones that pose the most risk. You can set up custom scoring and prioritize based on impact, which makes it easier to work through critical issues first. The sixth thing, automation is a key feature here. You can set up automatic scans and alerts, which frees up time for your team. With these automated tasks running behind the scenes, you don't have to worry about missing anything important. This level of automation ensures you're always ahead of the curve with your security measures. And don't forget, Tenable also offers a customizable dashboard. You can adjust it to show the most relevant data for your organization, making it easy to get an overview of your network's health at a glance. Whether you're a security expert or just getting started, this dashboard will provide the right insights at the right time. Finally, before I wrap up, remember that Tenable isn't just for big enterprises. Whether you're a small business or part of a larger corporation, Tenable scales with your needs. The software is flexible and adapts to your growing security requirements. Now, if you've made it this far, you've already learned the key things that make Tenable perfect for continuous monitoring. As promised, I mentioned that you can get started with Tenable for free using our exclusive offer. You'll find all the details in the first link below. Don't miss out on that extended free trial to dive deep into everything Tenable has to offer. So, start monitoring with confidence, protect your assets, and stay one step ahead. Thanks for watching.